Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to split walls by level using the Split Wall at Level command in BIMLOGIQ Copilot. Let's start by selecting the wall elements we want to split. You can choose one or multiple walls directly from the view. Next, choose the levels where the splits should occur. These levels define the heights at which the wall will be divided. You can apply a vertical offset to fine-tune the exact split location above or below the level elevation. Once everything is set, click Run button. BIMLOGIQ instantly splits the walls at the specified levels with clean geometry. Let's review the result. Here, our wall is split at 2 levels, as we selected earlier. Let's try splitting another wall with a basic background. Since we already know the process, let's speed things up. Here, our wall is split into 2 pieces at the exact levels we specified. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with BIMLOGIQ.